Hello everyone, Mr. 2D here once again with another tips and tricks guide for you. So sometimes it might happen that you uploaded a story by accident or either don't wish for it to further exist. So you immediately decide to delete that story from your upload bar. When you check it using your own account view, it appears totally fine and no longer exists there. But that's only on your own perspective. When a follower or a viewer acts to watch the removed story, however, it looks like this. You might think it's no big deal, the story was removed and it's all fine as it is. But to your viewers it's quite distressing to witness this. What happened? Did I miss something? Was it cool or important? All in all could cause quite commotion going on that might be disturbing for you as well. So in this life hack I shall teach you how to properly remove a story from your upload bar. First thing you need to know that this is not a bug from the system. Instagram intentionally keep an open space in case you decide to bring back your removed story. So to properly remove it, go to your account profile, click on the hamburger bar, click on your activity, then the recently deleted, which represents your recycle bin. Finally locate the removed story and properly delete it from there. That'll also trigger Instagram engine that the story is no longer exist and it'll automatically remove the empty slot on your storyline. And with that your story is properly removed and can no longer be seen by anyone anymore. Thank you all for listening. I hope it was a helpful tutorial. Please further share it with everyone you might know who are struggling with the same problem. Until next time, goodbye.